umphakathi waseZimbabwe namaphethe lomthakazo omuhle nobulawayo wonke. Libingelela ngokubhamuza mfana kaNtshwentshebele ngiqhamuka khona kogodla omnyama mahlaba lethwala besika mafu. Mina ngenza ngokucula umaskandi kakhulu. Futhi kakhulu ngikhonze kakhulu amasiko akithi nje wonke. Noma ngabe ngubani umuntu omnyama ngithemba ukuthi amasiko akibo kumele aqhakathekise.
My name is Andile Chuma. I'm a 26-year-old young woman who is a journalist by profession. I am the managing director at Ubuntu Flavors. I also am Iko Solamandombi Amajiji, and I'm also a content creator.
Engize ngakho kakhulu namhlanje njengoba kuyinyanga uMeyi athi ngumbasa abayaziyo inyanga yesintu mhlambe ngithi yamasiko. Ikakhulukazi isiko lethu thina abantu abamnyama liqhakathekile kakhulu ukuthi sililandele singalilahli ukuze lentsha elandele emuva ibe lazi ingalahleki. Kakhulukazi kuyonakala into eziningi ngenxa yokulahleka kwamasiko isikakhulu kubontanga kuthiwa ngama-2K sebelahleke kakhulu ngoba lathi abadala suke silandele ukuthi sekulama new curriculum kulama fashion sesiyeka ukuthi sibonise abalandele emuva isiko lethu. Ngisho kanjani ngenxa yokuthi ziningi izinto ezingasayenzeki. Sikhula thina bekulo zungu lomkhankaso uphunywe lokhankaso amathambo kudojwa amathambo kuchiswe kuzingelwe kwenziwe lokhu nalokhuyana izulu line yabona. Even noma mangithi ngiyabheka kakhulukazi manje lemshado ayisekho ngenxa yokuthi amasiko kahle alahlekile. Kungenxa yokuthi siyawalahla thina abazali ngoba abantwana sisababonisa ukuthi kudala emandulo besenza kanjani.
Okay, I usually celebrate Culture Month by ukuvunula gqoka impahla zami ezitshengisa who I am as umntwana wesintwini. Bese ngiya-shoot ama-videos, poems, and I usually share them on my social media platforms. But this year is going to be different because I am going to be preparing ukudla kwesintu and reminding people who we are as Africa, as abantu abansundu or as amandebele. So ngizobe ngiprepare ukudla kwesintwini. And I am going to be selling them at $1 a plate only. I am doing so to remind people who we are, why it's important ukuthi sidle ukudla kwesintu, and why it's also important ukunanzelela ukuthi thina vele ukudla okubiza thina ikuphi. That's how I'm going to be celebrating Culture Month this year.